microphone because I need my hands for this talk. Hello, I'm David. I introduced myself too much already. I never changed my profile picture. I'm sorry. This is a talk about JavaScript, but it's also a talk about juggling. I won't teach you very much of either, but I'll give you a taste for both. It's also a talk about Node School, which is a bunch of exercises that you can kind of work through in order to learn things. I'll be talking about the Juggling Async exercise, which is about making 3 HTTP requests to a server, and then as they come back, they'll come back out of order, in a different order to the way you sent the requests, and you have to console log them in the order in which you sent them. Okay? So if we imagine my right hand is the client, my left hand is the server, we're going to make 3 requests. Sometimes requests are dropped. We're going to make 3 requests, and then we're going to log them. I'll be deliberately dropping for the logging. So 3 requests, and if they came back in order, it would be really easy. Okay? But they won't. So, yeah, that's what Node School looks like when you're actually running through them. I'll be showing code for the examples. Don't worry if the code doesn't make sense. It is available on my GitHub, but it's not really much use. This is just a flavor for what these kinds of exercises look like. I'll be using the standard HTTP library from Node, where you have to listen for data events on your server responses. When you get an end event, you know you've received all of your response data. Okay, I mistimed my slides a bit, so we're just going to wait for the initial naive solution. There it is. Okay. So we're listening for data events. We get a couple of those for each request, and then we get an end event. Okay? So this is the really naive solution where we collect data events. I can't split these into smaller data events, so just trust me about that there are individual data events, and you get an end event. So we send off our requests, they come back, and we log them. Okay? But that works fine if the server sends back the request in the correct order. So say I'm going red, yellow, green. I don't know if you can see those colors very well, but trust me, it's red, yellow, green. So I go red, yellow, green. I catch red first, then yellow, then green. Okay, and I can log those in the correct order. But I'm going to correct that. If the server is kind of slow on the other requests, then I get them back in the wrong order. I've got red, green, yellow now, and that's wrong. So that won't solve the problem. So the first thing we want to do is create an array to store our output before we log it. That's my outputs array. How am I doing? Yeah, okay. So if we're doing that, then we send off our requests and we store responses. Now I'm still logging them immediately, but we've got something storing them, so we're partway there. The next step would be to change how we log them, to wait for an end event, and then log the 3 requests in the correct order. So see the index variable. That relates to the order in which I received the requests. So I get them as command line arguments, and the index relates to what order they were as command line arguments. So now, if I send off, yep, still red, yellow, green, the server is very slow on the second 2 requests, sends me back green first, and then yellow. So in this case, I'm storing them, but I'm actually still logging all 3 every time I get an end event. So, can I, red, yellow, green? Yeah, okay. So that's like log, 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 and the last one, log, log, log. So I'm logging out a lot of undefined things, which is not what we want. Hey, on to the final solution. Excellent. So we just need to check if we've got all 3 responses ready, and then log all 3. So we do that using counter, basically. How many finished requests are there? You may notice I've been influenced by Ruby a little bit. I'm sorry. Red, yellow, green, final solution. They all go to the server. We get red back first, hooray, but the other 2 are very slow. Get back green, get back yellow, but I've carefully put them in the correct indexes, and then I log them red, yellow, green. And thank God that didn't happen at the start. And that's it. That's Juggling Async. It'll switch to the thank you slide in a second. I'm sorry I mistimed that. Thanks for listening. If you want to learn anything about juggling or JavaScript, happy to have a nice discussion without rushing through a 5-minute talk and then ending too soon. So thanks very much.